Let's discuss that most important and useful terms in our intermediate zoology textbooks. So let's start from the beginning, right? Here you need to understand one thing. That is, here we are only discussing about terms, okay? Moreover, we don't discuss in depth, right? So we are taking that first term is nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is a biochemical and physiological process. This process by which organisms uses food to support its life. Actually, this food provides the energy and nutrients you need to be healthy. Imagine, we thought that should we all be healthy and also we want to build our body, right? So that's not all. And regularly, every day we wake up from sleep. That time, our legs are on the ground. That means keeping our legs like that means we need some energy. Not only that thing, we go to college every day, we walk every day, we eat every day, we talk every time, we just keep doing something, whatever we want at every moment, right? Any task needs to be completed or happen, so which means it needs that much of energy. In our houses, to turn on the fan means we provide that much of power supply to fans. Fan, that means fan need that electricity supply. So so that process we can call it as a nutrition. So rice, curries, juices, pani puri, chaat, idli, dosa, pizza, burger, rings, whatever, water, those things are we have to take every day, we eat every day, right? Those are also called nutrients. Think about it this way: several nutrients together in your food make up your nutrition. But one nutrient by itself is not nutrition. Actually, nutrients provide nourishment like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals, fiber, etc. Okay, nutrients are the individual substances in food that humans and animals, every organisms need to live and grow. Actually, plants also need nutrients to live and grow. Obviously, plant nutrients are found in soil. What we added to plant. The soil contains substances like phosphorus and nitrogens. Okay, so nutrition is the process of eating. That definition of nutrition in intermediate textbook, the process by which organisms assimilates food and uses it for growth and maintenance. That means assimilate means absorb it into something, or absorption like digestion, up, whatever, uptake in our body, okay, obtaining. So the process by which organism uses food to support its life, it's called nutrition. Okay.